Hello, Assam friend. This is Ashad Khan from Kranchi Academy. Today we are going to solve business studies paper May-June 2018. Its code is 7115/11. Today we are going to solve question number 3 and 4. The question number 3. IPH is a family-owned private limited company. It makes a range of shoes for children using batch production. It is a competitive market. Like many business, IPH needs finance for a number of reasons. The finance director has been looking at some financial data and extract is shown in table 1. This is table 1. Some of directors would like to expand into the women's shoes market and want to know whether IBH performance is improving. Okay, this is table 1. Extract from financial data for IBH, amount in $1,000. Now here come to question 3a. What is mean by non-current liability? This question carry 2 marks. It's come from the chapter analysis of account. It's very simple question and its answer also too. Debts oblique loans repayable in the more than 12 months is called non-current liabilities. Number 2. 3b. Identify 2 reasons why a business might need finance. This question comes from the chapter business finance needs and sources. This question also carry 2 marks. It's very simple. There are 2 reasons. Number 1, start of a business venture. Number 2, replace machinery and units. So these are there are so many other requirements for which business needs finance, but we have to mention that 2 points for 2 numbers. Now come to question 3c. Identify and explain 2 possible advantages to IBH of being a private limited company. This question carry 4 marks and this question comes from the chapter type of business organization. Number 1, advantage can control who buys share. In private limited company, IBH can easily control the purchasing of a shares if anyone outside the their groups or their partner who cannot buy the shares. In private limited company, shares can be offered to general public, so it is buying can be controlled. It makes IBH a competitive company. It means you can not offer the share to general public, so buying can be controlled. It's make IBH a competitive company. Advantage 2, no need to publish accounts. There is no need to publish private limited company accounts. Competitor do not. What is its explanation? Competitor do not get any information about their business, as there is no published account, so general public or computer does not get any information, ideas or business growth of IBH. So there are 2 advantages which IBH can have if they have a private limited company. Question 3d. Identify and explain 2 advantages to IBH of using batch production. This question comes from chapter production of goods and services. Number 1 advantage, economies of scale. Number 2, variety of tasks for workers, motivation. There are 2 main advantage of batch production. Here is the explanation. It is a flexible way of working. We can use full capacity by producing variety of products. It will help us in reducing average cost of product. It minimizes idle capacity and helping achieving economies of scale. What is the advantage number 2? Variety of tasks for workers' motivation. As there is a in batch production, there are variety of production, so it's also motivate the workers. Explanation: as in batch production, variety of product can be produced which provide variety of tasks to employees, boosting their motivation and develops multitasking skill, which increase output and reduce wastage and fatigue. So there are 2 advantages of batch production. Now come to question 3e. Do you think IBH performance has improved in 2018? Justify your answer using profit margin. This question also comes from the chapter analysis of accounts. Here we have to just analyze the figures what above given. IBH is a family-owned private limited company. It makes wide range of shoes for children. Its revenue increased by 20% and GP by 33%, but profits remain the same. Their directors also thinking about entering into the women's shoes, which is a big market. Their performance improved in terms of sales and market share. Their non-current liabilities increase. It means they are expanding their business. As far as profit margin is concerned, it reduced by 5%. So in terms of profit margin, their performance is unsatisfactory. Following or some data, revenue increased by 80,000. It means sales side is performing well. It means the demand of IBH product. They need to more focus to improve it. Non-current liabilities have increased by 100,000. It means long-term liabilities in cash, such may be the purchase of machinery or land, which help them to in production or increase in sales. Gross profit increased by 80,000. It means their cost of sales remains same. It is good thing that there is good control on production. Profit has remained the same because there is interest payment on non-current liability. Gross profit margin increased from 60% to 67%. It means gross profit increased by 6 to 7%. So these are some points which you can explain for improvements performance of IBH. Now this is the end of question 3. Now come to the question 4. Ben owns a small gardening business which has started 15 years ago. Ben believes providing a quality service is important to his business. Ben's business has a number of stakeholder groups, including 2 full-time and 4 part-time workers, who have all been employed by him for a number of years. Each worker is expected to do any job that Ben ordered them to do. All workers are paid an hourly wage rate. They also receive a bonus if customers recommend the business to other people. Ben is always thinking about other ways to improve the motivation of his worker. Okay, this is a sole proprietor company. Owner's name Ben. This is about gardening business. He started it 15 years ago. Okay. Now come to the question number 4A. What is mean by stakeholder group? This question carry 2 marks. This question comes from the chapter Business Objective and Stakeholder Objective. What is the definition of a stakeholder group? Any group or person with a direct interest in the performance of the activities of a business is called a stakeholder group. Question 4B. Identify 2 possible reasons why Ben's business has remained small. This question comes from enterprise business growth and size. Okay, why Ben's business remains so small? This question carry 2 marks. Reason 1, personal wishes. It's Ben's personal wishes. Number 2, Ben's is working on a niche market. 4C. Identify and explain 2 reasons why quality might be important for Ben's business. There are 2 important reasons for Ben's according to for improvement of quality. Number 1, improve reputation. Number 2, increase sales revenue, attract new customer. If Ben's quality improves, what will happen? What's its explanation? It improves his brand image, which helps increase his earning. Quality also minimize wastage and rework, which reduce cost of doing business. In gardening business, quality plays very important role. Reason 2, increase sales revenue, attract new customers. Explanation: quality also increase revenue, attract new customer, and increase loyalty among existing customer. Some existing customer refer to other customer, which improve brand image, reputation of the business. It also minimizes advertising and promotional expenses. Now come to the question 4D. Identify and explain 2 advantage to Ben's business of hanging part-time workers? This question comes from the top chapter recruitment and selection. What is the advantage of a part-time worker? Advantage number one, more flexible to adjust as per business needs. Advantage two, help retain experienced employees who have worked here for number of years. Explanation, more flexible to adjust as per business needs. Part-time workers provide great help and support when there is increase in demand of gardening work, as demand of gardening items are not constant and its sales is also very limited. So keep full-time workers are not feasible. Part-time worker part-time work also flexible in performing their job. So Ben can easily complete his demand on time. This is a one benefit or advantage of part-time worker. Advantage to help in retain experienced employees. Ben can retain experienced employee in its part-time business segment who work for many a number of years, but due to variation in gardening business, Ben cannot keep them with them. It also reduces his recruitment cost. Yes, if Ben retain their old employees, experienced employed as a part-time worker, it will definitely reduce its recruitment cost or doing the business. Now, come to the question 4E. Explains two ways Ben could improve employee motivation. Recommend which way Ben should choose. Justify your answer. This question comes from the chapter motivation. Motivation is very important for employees to work hard and effectively for the business. A well-motivated employee is an asset for the organization. It helps in increase in production, willingness to accept change, and create better working environment. Following are some points which will help in motivation. These are some points which you can describe in your own words. Number one, change method of payment, increase rate of pay. It will motivate the employees. Give them training so they feel more valued. Involve workers in decision making so workers feel more important to the gardening business. Change leadership style. Ben orders workers to do jobs. It means if you have an autocratic style of worker, change it to democratic style of worker. Job rotation for the employees so employees are not bored doing the same thing. Job enlargement and job engagement. These are some suggestions which you can mention here to how to motivate employees. So, student, this is the end of question 4. Now we complete the two final question of October, May, June 2018 paper. I hope you will understand all the questions. If you have any query or question about the any points or you want to further clarification, you should write and send us send it in comments box. We will definitely resolve your query and give you guidance. Thank you. So.